Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy 2020 and wish you all the very best. Thank you for being here. Today I've got a quick question and a quick Revit tutorial about creating artworks and applying art or artworks, paintings, things like that to walls in Revit. But firstly, the question, I just wanted to ask you guys, what are your goals in Revit in 2020? And what video tutorials would you like to see on this channel that will help you to achieve those? If you can please leave those in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear what you think and your goals. And now to jump into the video tutorial. So it's really simple. It's probably going to take about 2 minutes or so. And I'm going to show you how to create artworks, murals, and the like on walls in Revit. So all we need to do is go to a 3D view. And we'll look at this wall as an example. I'm just going to untick shadows. You can see this here. Then we'll go to Insert, Decal, Create New Decal. We'll give it a name. Let's just call it Art Piece 1. And then over here at Source, just click the 3 dots. And I'm going to select the file. It's just a JPEG, an image that I found on Google a little earlier. And go open, and you can see there's a sample of that image in the thumbnail there. Click OK, and now hovering over any of these walls, if I just click, it will place that artwork there. And then just to view it, all we need to do is make sure that our graphic display settings or our visual style is set to realistic, like that. Hit escape, select this, and we can drag this now to resize it or drag and move it as we like. We can also make it full size, so if we go move, I can grab this and snap it to there, and I can also drag these ends here to make it the full width of that wall. Just to show you, if we go back to ground floor to create a camera view, view, 3D view, camera, click here, looking this way at the wall. If I zoom out, just make this a little bigger, give it a little bit of context, and change the view here to realistic. You can see there you've got that artwork on that entire wall, and if we render that, that'll actually show up pretty much exactly as per the image that we've imported. So I hope that was helpful. Again, please leave any comments, questions, or suggestions below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified of more videos like this. I'll be posting a lot more often this year. And please, most importantly, let me know what you think, what your goals are for Revit in 2020, and what sorts of videos and tutorials you'd like to see on this channel to help you get there. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.